This is Sukhan TV Unlimited with Star, the #1 self-development YouTube channel that provides all the knowledge and wisdom of the world. Everyone has a dream and wants to make the dream come true. However, it is impossible to achieve a dream only by vaguely thinking about it. We have to have a specific way to make our dream come true. However, neither school nor society tells us how to achieve the dream. How on earth can we make our precious dream come true? Everyone, don't be too disappointed. Of course there is a way. So we prepared. In this video, we will look at the most scientific way in the world that even ordinary people can achieve their dreams. It doesn't cost you a penny, and you can change your life with just a few minutes of investment. The core always comes out towards the end, so please watch it until the end. Don't miss and regret it. Please subscribe, like, and notify. People want to achieve their dreams, but many people don't know how. Some people just tell you to dream vividly or just work hard. In the self-help books, successful people tell their own success story in their own way, according to their circumstances. It doesn't work at all for anyone else. It doesn't tell you how to make your dream come true in school or in society. Numerous scholars, thinkers, and scientists in economics, philosophy, and science preach various knowledge and wisdom, but there is no scientific way to make dream come true. So, this is the video we prepared for you. From now on, we will introduce you to the most scientific way to make your dream come true. Your life, watching this video now, will definitely change. Everyone. So let's get started. How do you build your house? Why are we suddenly talking about building a house? Because life is very similar to building a house. When building a house, what is the first thing you do? Yes, that's right. When building a house, first lay the cornerstone. This cornerstone determines the purpose and size of your house. So, what is the cornerstone of life? It's a dream. What kind of dream you have determines the purpose and direction of your life. Everyone. What is your dream? Your dream is you. You don't have a dream. If you don't have a dream, try anything. Surely you'll have a dream. Next, build the pillars. What are the pillars of life? Let's check some examples. Above all else, your health is important. Because when your health shakes, everything can shake. Also, no matter what you do, you must have assets like seed money. Because you live in a capitalist society. In addition, insight through reading, wide networks, and communication skills are important pillars in life. These activities that strengthen the pillars of life bring joy to your life. Everyone. Exercising while sweating, raising money step by step, reading to develop insight, talking and communicating with people, and so on, have tremendous fun. So you can enjoy it all your life. Now, start decorating the interior of the house in earnest. In the case of life, it means developing your core competencies in earnest in creating achievements through work. So, if you do what you love, your performance will improve and you will be able to keep doing it. Furthermore, work gives value and meaning to your life. Finally, raise roof and make windows. In the case of life, it is practicing love through social contribution activities, etc. This allows you to create sustainable value when you share your achievements. So you can be successful and happy for a long time. Everyone. Why not build our own special house of life for your precious life right now? If you do not give up and work hard, you will be able to find the meaning, value, and happiness of life beyond success in a wonderful house in the future. In this video, we looked at the most scientific way in the world that even ordinary people can achieve their dreams. If it was helpful, please subscribe, like, and notify. See you next time. Until the day when all ordinary people become successful and happy with super self-management, which has never existed in a world that changed myself, ourselves, and the world to shine.